volunteering at the J-Town Jog for Johnstown BBQ Days, which is going to be around my favorite lake. I don't know if it's my favorite, but I have walked here a whole lot. And it's like an hour before the running starts. So I'm gonna go walk. Bright sun. Glassy lake. So we got a 1 mile fun run for the kids. That's 1 lap around the lake. And a 5K. That's basically 2 laps around the lake plus a little jaunt through the neighborhood to the northwest. They have now turned on the music because it's 7 a.m. I'm guessing noise ordinance would say no music until after 7. There's also fish jumping. One just jumped there. I figure the people who are serious about this, really serious, the fastest ones might be up to 3 times my walking speed. Good on them. Well, here we go with the 1 miler. Go!
She's running too hard, man.
Well, here we go.
Good job, Mike.
One in the football jersey is the one who said he was going to do 620.
Turn it up, he's catching on you.
740.
Let's go, Trey.
Go! So we're getting ready for the 5K here.
Okay, everybody, we are about to start that 5K here in a second here. If you will just draw your attention to my Bishop Law over here, he will get this thing going.